Alright, what's going on YouTube? This is IconBark95. I know it's been a while since my last video, but I'm bringing you an update on the Dodge Durango. What's been going on with it, where have I been? Let's start off with what happened. I was coming home from a trip, and I started hearing a knocking in the engine. Started to investigate, ended up pulling the engine. Found out I had damaged cylinder walls, and then pulled the engine apart, took it to a shop. They bored it out, put new pistons in for it. I redid the head, put it all back together, and that's where I'm at right now. I just got all the timing chain stuff done. Getting ready to finish putting all the components back on it, and then probably dropping it in by the end of the month. I can show you what happened to the pistons. So all the pistons looked like this, just normal wear. And then my rear two pistons had all this damage to it, which was causing my knocking. So they bored it out, put new pistons in for me, and gonna be good to go. Had them paint it for me and everything. So this has been taking the past couple months for me, just slowly working on it in my spare time. As far as the cardio build, I'll show you what we got going on for that. It's my first engine rebuild, so I've been learning a lot in the process. This engine was a pain to pull, just a lot of stuff. Took me and a buddy about 10 to 12 hours to pull it. Wasn't fun. Alright, so come to the back, show you what's been going on with the car audio. So I got the amp rack and the batteries put in. Then I also had a little temporary setup for the sub and some door speakers in the meantime while I start working on the door panels. So we got the Bassclef 3500D monoblock amplifier for the subs that are going to be going in. Taking out the 2 PSI platform 2s from the truck I had. Putting those back here in a ported box. I got the Symphony 500/2 for the tweeters. And we got the Crescendo Encore C.2 SQ for the door speakers. Got 10/8s going in here. Then for the batteries, we got the XP 3000s. Got 2 of those. And I got 2 runs of 0 gauge OFC to the front of the car. Still working on the amp rack a little bit, but it's coming along. Just gotta get everything wired once this is done. Everything in the rear of the car has been sound deadened, and there's a plywood base back there. I can't really show you right now because the car is in the garage, but once I get the car out the garage and the engine done, I'll get back to work on that. Just a little update video of what's going on. Yeah, up here I got the XS Power D2700. I got it out the car right now over there. So, yep, just this engine build has been taking up some of my time. I haven't had time to work on the car audio part of it. So, that's going to be all for now, YouTube. Peace out.